Hey guys, this is Robert again. I want to say thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, please check out my videos, and if you like it, please subscribe below. And if you're already my subscriber, welcome back guys. I really appreciate you guys coming back to my channel. So today I will be talking about my taco, and my subject is why I bought Baja Design lights. One of the biggest reasons I bought the Baja Design lights was they are bright, and you can see that in my videos. Another reason I bought the Baja Design lights is that they're made in the United States, and I like to support American companies when I can, and they're actually here in SoCal, San Diego to be exact. Another reason why I like the products is because they actually have a lifetime warranty. But if something goes wrong with the product itself, they will back it up for a lifetime. So that means your kids can actually have these lights. So I know you guys are curious about what I have on my truck. So let's go over that. The first model that I ever did as far as lighting were the Baja Designs Squadron Sport in the wide cornering amber for my fog lights. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it right above. That's the reason why I decided to continue on to use Baja Design lights. So my second lighting mod were the S2 Pros as my ditch light. Now these lights are very versatile because of the size and very bright. The model I got was a combo lens. So with the combo lens, what that is that there's a spot on one light and a flood on the other, so it covers near and far lighting. Now after going to Joshua Tree, I had the fog lights and I was using the ditch lights here, and they performed really good, but I felt that I needed more lighting. It was really dark and I want to get much more lighting. When it's pitch black for off-road, I mean, it is pitch black. So I thought about it. I want to put something behind the grill, and that's what I did next. I got the 30-inch Baja Designs S8 in a combo as well, and in the amber. And the reason why I picked amber is that it really lights up the details and reduces the reflections of what it hits. So that's why I got that one behind the grill. Now I wanted some coverage if I have to unload things or park somewhere. That's why I went ahead and installed the S2 Sports. I picked the S2 Sports instead of S2 Pros like I did for my ditch lights. Is because I didn't need that much throw since it was near coverage. When we were off-roading again in Joshua Tree, even during the day, guys couldn't see me because there was so much dust flowing up. So it's just like having fog at night. Especially since my truck is quicksand and matches the dirt in the daytime, they couldn't spot me, so I wanted to be spotted better. I wanted some kind of chase light, so that way, either during the day or during the night, especially with a lot of dust, they can spot me. So that's the reason why I went ahead and installed this. This is the Baja Designs RTL. So RTL stands for rear tail light. Now I also hooked it up so it works as a brake light, and the center light lights up with my reverse light. So that's another reason why I want to get this all-in-one deal. And I'm sure you're curious as far as what was my last lighting mod. And my last lighting mod was this big sucker behind me up on my Prinzu cab rack. The 40-inch Onyx 6 light bar here in the spot. So I decided to put it on top instead of another one behind the grill because I wanted more power with the 40-inch and also more throw. Baja Design created a feature called U-Service. So what U-Service means that me, or me, is able to go ahead and change the lenses or the reflectors by myself. And the reason why that is an advantage is if you want to change it from a spot beam to a combo beam to a flood beam or to a white cornering, you can just change it by having an Allen wrench and taking care of it. So that was another benefit of why I picked Baja Designs. So this is only an overview of what I got in my truck. I will be doing separate videos about each part that I've installed in more detail, so you can go ahead and duplicate that. If you have any questions, please post them below. And as always, I appreciate all the likes and subscriptions. Peace out, guys.